Hey guys, what's up? So this time I'm going to air balloon festival in Taiwan, which is happening in Taitung with the friends, which mostly from Academia Sinica and also one guy from Yangming University. It really was a wonderful experience. So let's join us in this trip.
I don't need an introduction.
Very good. I've tried a lot and I finally got time after 4 years.
It's a very nice experience. We are going to another island to island.
Island to island. Yeah. Good. 420 का चश्मा.
ये सोच सकते हैं देखो जिंदगी एक है कि नहीं
बस हाँ,
जो करना है
कर लो बस पैसा ज्यादा है ओके जो पे नहीं रखना है तो दे देंगे सबको
Hey guys, so we are going for Taitung. This is Shashank. Hi. So this is Vijay and that's Satya. So all the Telugu hunks are here. This is our biggest asshole.
Okay.
Where were you? Man, we are
I was
finding
down
you.
there. I was waiting for you guys.
So actually we should be in Taitung, but we are at the Lue station. From here we are going to go for the air balloon festival. So it took us about 5 hours to reach this Lue station. We made it at 8 a.m. and we reached about 13. So it's almost 5 hours. It's quite long, tiring journey, but we just chit-chatted. So we took a cab for this hot air balloon festival. It's too hot out here. You can see his condition. He's so tired. It's still tiring. Actually, we were looking for a bus, but we couldn't able to find it. So it's better we took a cab. And glad he knows little bit of Chinese, and he can able to come. Yeah, see, so
And he's
quite
sitting
helpful.
on my lap.
Yeah, currently I'm just adjusting myself.
Can you see me? Yeah.
Just,
He's sitting on my lap and I'm fucked up. He's like 100 kg old
So
man.
you just tell me who is the one who is enjoying right now?
You are the
No,
fucking
he's the guy who is actually.
I'm loving it, you know. I'm so comfortably sitting.
We can also show the taxi driver.
So he is our wonderful driver. So he is driving us to the place. Yeah. Right now we are waiting for this air balloon festival to start. The tickets are going to open at 4 p.m. So we are still waiting for that and taking some pictures. Meanwhile, we are actually enjoying the whole place, and so it's quite beautiful. The weather is so good, and I think it will be a wonderful experience when we start when this air balloon festival will start.
We're going to do this. He's getting ready.
Avengers.
Hey! So you guys can see outside. Whoa! So beautiful. It's already up in the air. Shashank is here. Woo! So this is the first time experiencing this. So colorful, and you can see at the backside already most of them are up. So how's this experience, whole thing?
It's awesome.
Right?
One of the best thing ever to visit in Taiwan.
Really? Actually, we waited for this for a long time.
Yeah, every year from 2 years I'm waiting after joining from VIGP here.
Wow.
Yeah,
So it's like one of the dream, but
it's not a dream. It's awesome. That's it.
Yeah. So how long you have been planning this one?
Been planning for 3 years.
Finally made it, right?
Yeah, finally made it. I feel very good. I've tried a lot, and I finally got time after 3 years, 3-4 years, and came to see my favorite space shoot one. This one.
Oh, wow.